So it's December and this book has been in the making since February of this year, and it's travelled many thousands of miles backwards and forwards between the States and Cornwall, and is the result of my collaboration with my friend Sue King. And it's one of two books, and I'm going to show you the finished book, which has a beautiful cover courtesy of Sue, and as you'll see, there's an awful lot of stuff going on in this little collaboration. I've just been doing some very final finishing touches, which to be honest are so minor, just lightening up a few areas and adding a few words. We have a kind of green foresty, landscapey side to the book and a blue coastal side. And there are also books within the book. We've got collage and paint and print and words, some stitch, it's lovely, lots of layers of collage in relief, so it's quite textured. I think this is probably the biggest concertina book I've been involved in making. We've even got photographs in here, little maps. And it's inspired by our love of nature, of walking in the countryside and in the coast. And it's been travelling backwards and forwards between our two studios across the Atlantic since February. And the book even took quite a long detour thanks to the postal service and went to Singapore at one point, but thankfully made its way back. It's very playful and slightly experimental. We didn't have any real agenda, just to respond to each other's work as it happened. And it was always a joy to get in the post to see what had been done since the last visit. And there you have it. That's the first book completed.